this is Ariel from Musculoskeletal Physiotherapy Australia. Today I'll show you some exercises to improve the range of motion of your shoulder. So your range of motion of the shoulder can be impeded by either surgery or potentially after a period of immobilization. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab a broomstick, or you can that you can find around the house. And we're going to do some active assisted movements. So let's say my left shoulder is the injured one and I don't have full range of motion on that shoulder. What we want to do is put our left hand, the injured hand, in front and then the other one at the back. And you're going to use the back hand as a driving force to help assist you with that range of motion, lifting that arm up. So we can go forward, we can also go sideways. Just like this. You can help a little bit with that injured shoulder, but most of your driving force will be from the uninjured one. Okay, so that's the first one. The second exercise we can do is a wall crawl. So basically you just find a wall and come around this way. And what you can do is climb your fingers up, making sure that all these exercises you do are within the limits of your pain. Okay. And as you progress over time, you'll find yourself having more range with less pain. So then at the end of your available range, what you can do is lean into the wall a little bit just to get that extra bit of movement at the end. Okay, last but not least, we'll grab a towel as well. And what we want to do is slide that along a door or something that's glossy so that it's not too difficult for you. So again, we're leaning into the wall and pushing up. So just to reiterate, with all of these exercises, you want to go within the limits of your pain, aiming for about 20 repetitions for at least 3 sets a day. And as you start to find yourself having more range of motion, adding in that bit of pressure at the end will help increase more range. I hope that helps.